Hey guys, hello. This is Manish and you're watching Map 5. I think you all guys are maintaining your own hygiene in this pandemic. If not, please do that. And I also hope that you all are healthy and fit with the negative report of COVID 19. If not, don't worry. Take good food and maintain a good diet. You will be cured soon. And as I said in the last episode, we are going to learn about the fundamental rights. So, for better understanding, I have divided these fundamental rights into two parts. Part 2 I will be releasing soon. Let's see the part 1.
Like a Hellcat.
So before getting into our video, please subscribe my channel and change the color of the like button. So this motivates me to do much better videos to you. And also, who are not aware of the first two episodes, they can watch those episodes by the help of the link given below in the description. So let's start our episode. If I'm speaking fast or slow, I think these subtitles will help you to make you much understanding. This tiny white color subtitles. Okay. As I said in the earlier episode, some of the laws and rules of our constitution are borrowed from the other constitution, and these fundamental rights are also one of those. So these fundamental rights are called as Bill of Rights in the American Constitution. So we can find these fundamental rights in the part 3 of our Indian Constitution. So this part 3 of Indian Constitution is called as the Magna Carta. Note this word, Magna Carta. I have already named the 6 fundamental rights in our earlier episode, and these are those. So in these 6 fundamental rights, we are going to learn the first 3 fundamental rights today and the remaining 3 in the part 2 of our fundamental rights episode. So here the first right comes here with right to equality. This right to equality carries 5 articles with it. Article 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So first let's know about this article 14, equality before law. This says, article 14 says that everyone is equal before law. So for example, if a common person did a mistake and the first citizen of India, president, also did the same mistake, our law gives the same punishment to both of them according to law. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination on certain grounds. Article 15 says that any of the Indian citizen cannot be discriminated on certain grounds such as his or her caste, religion, sex or place of birth. Article 16, equality of opportunity in public employments. For instance, we have two persons here, a high caste person and low caste person. Both have talent on a particular job and they are both eligible for the job. No discrimination. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Untouchability is a crime according to law. Note it. And the last article of the right to equality, that is Article 18, abolition of titles. So we have some national awards like Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan. These are not awards and titles. Don't worry, these are the respects of the particular person who got them. Now let's discuss about right to freedom. Right to freedom carries only 4 articles with it. Those are Article 19, 20, 21, 21A and 22. So first let's discuss about Article 19. So the major function of the Article 19 is just to protect the 6 rights. Those are right to speech and expressions. So an Indian citizen have a right to express his or her feelings. He have that freedom. Next, right to assemble without any arms. So our Indian citizens have a right to form groups and discuss, but peacefully and without any weapons. No fighting. Number 3, right to form unions or any associations. Number 4, right to move freely around the India. Number 5, right to settle in any part of India. That's your wish. And the last, number 6, is right to choose your own occupation or your own job that you wish. Article 20 have 3 laws. Number 1 is no ex post facto law. So we have a person, he did a crime and being 10 years in prison is the punishment for that crime. He completed being 5 years in prison and the law changed. So for that crime, a person should be 15 years in jail. So this guy should he be more 5 years or 10 years in jail? Yeah, only 5 years because the new law is invalid. Number 2 is no double jeopardy. A person can be punished only once, not more than once for the same crime. Number 3, no self-incrimination. So, any person cannot force any person to agree a particular crime. Now we are going to know about Article 20. Hello bro. Mr. Zombie, I'm making a video here. Why do you always interrupt? What do you want to say? Say soon. I just came to say that talk story. I'm sleeping there. Oh, sleeping. That's a great work you're doing now. Okay, go and sleep. Are you confused? He is my brother. I'll call him often with the name Mr. Zombie. Okay, leave the topic. We are discussing about Article 21, right? Yeah. Prohibition of life and personal liberty. That means any person cannot lose his personal liberties. This article have a bunch of 35 rules in it, like right to opportunity, right to shelter, right to health, right to reputation, right to information, right to freedom from noise pollution, and also including right to sleep. I think this right to sleep is just made for me. And why do you laugh? I'm speaking truth. Whatever, let me sleep for some time and don't disturb. But you can't sleep now because you have to go to grocery shop. Why? Don't you know? We have completed our monthly groceries yesterday. Okay. Don't forget to put your mask. I think Article 22 is a continuation. Article 22, protection against arrest and detention. So detention is of two types, punitive and preventive. So punitive detention is to punish the person for the offense he did. On the other hand, preventive is the detention of a person without any trial or by a conviction by a court. Okay. Now this is the last right of this episode, that is right against exploitation. So right against exploitation only carries two articles with it, 23 and 24. So if we talk about Article 23, protection against human trafficking and forced labor. I think the word forced labor you have all understood. So forced labor is crime according to constitution, and also human trafficking means, I think you have seen in many movies like kidnapping or selling human men, women, children like goods, slaves, slavery, and prostitution is also crime according to constitution. And the last article of today's episode is Article 24. Man, sun is burning death. Manish, I brought all the groceries. Put them in the kitchen. Maid will come and set them in arranged order. Okay. Do you know, I saw an adorable girl working in the construction site. Man, she's looking damn cute, but the work doesn't suit her. At the moment when I saw she's handing over the bricks to her mother, man, her smile made me tears in my eyes. Can you estimate her age? Her age will be up to 6 to 7 years. Man, that is constitutionally proved that the children below 14 years cannot work in mines, factories, and some other dangerous places like these. According to Article 24, that's amazing. Yes guys, that's it for today and I hope you enjoyed the video. So subscribe my channel and as I said at the beginning, change the color of like button. And also it's better to share this information or knowledge to your relatives, friends or any other persons you know. In other words, he is saying that to share the video. Yeah, of course.